Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of some items I just received. One I'm really excited about because it is in this white box. It's the monthly subscription box from Chaos Concepts. I haven't ordered anything from them in the past, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. I know they do a lot of tools to use for when you're doing your manicures, like finger rests, bottle holders, things like that. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. And then I also ordered from a new cuticle oil company that I came across called Nailcocktailco. So I'm gonna slice this open now. Okay, so this is a card that just has like a code on it to get more money off. So the scent I chose was Moscow Mule. I love Moscow Mules, so does my husband. So I thought that this would be a really cool flavor to try, or scent to try, not flavor. So it comes in this little cute jar that looks like a copper cup from Moscow Mule, and it looks like, according to the ingredients here, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it has jojoba oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, tea tree, ginger oil, peppermint oil, and lime oil. So let me just do a little bit. And here it is. It's a dropper style. It looks kind of like medium to thick on the consistency. Smells really good, and I just dripped some on my box from Chaos Concepts, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm excited to give these a try with my next mani and see how it looks, or feels, I should say. And there's just like a little card from with the owner's information on it, which is nice. All right, and now here is my Chaos Concepts box. I'm gonna flip it over so you don't see my address, and then I'm gonna open it. One second. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, how cute. And it's Valentine's Day themed, which is awesome. I'll try to get it so it's staying open. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first we got some Valentine's Day lollipops. And I don't know what this is. It says black cherry on it. Oh, it's a candle. Ooh, it smells so good. How cute is that? I wasn't expecting a candle. Okay, well, obviously it's black cherry scented. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, wow, so this is like a little container to put, I'm guessing, a bottle of liquid in? Maybe there's a little sheet in here that says what's what. But isn't this cute? They do everything with 3D printers. So this was made with a 3D printer. I just love the coloring on it too. There's another little package here to unbox. There's another deeper, same color scheme as this one. I think this is for like brushes and stuff. So that's awesome. Okay. And then looks like there's a little dip in here. I think they partner with dip companies to like put dips in their packages. Oh, so I've seen people use this. You put like your glitters in here and you can lay your finger into it for better glitter placement. So I'll be excited to try this out, and I'll showcase it on some of my other videos for you guys. And then, let's see, there's a card. Oh, Kimber's Creations is the company that they supplied the dip from. This one's called Over the Rainbow. I haven't tried Kimber's Creations yet, so this is kind of cool as well that they included this dip. Oh, wow, it's kind of like a glitter foil that has some iridescent and blue foils with a silver glitter base to it. And I just spilled some stuff out. Really doing good today, guys. It's all good, all good. And then there's one more thing in here. Get it. Looks like it's a... Oh my gosh, I think this is a cover to put down on your work surface. Handmade with Love. That's adorable. Stitch Happens by Josie. Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. So this looks like a placemat to put down. And it has care instructions on how to wash it. Kind of like a placemat, but for your nails. And this is all watercolor hearts. I guess it can be used as like a nail feed background as well. Wow. Okay. So this was definitely worth what I paid for it, because I paid, oh, and there's stickers here, I just noticed. Little stickers that have some roses on it and things like that to stick on your nails, Valentine's Day themed. So I was really impressed by this since I paid $70 for it. I did get quite a bit in here, so that's awesome. And I will definitely be giving them a good review. I love these little items here. These are so cute. And then we got the dip over the rainbow from Kimber's Creations. Awesome. So I can't wait to use all these tools, and I'll showcase them in some of my upcoming videos for you guys. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to be unboxing here is a package I received from Pampered Pretties. She does dips and she also does decals. And I follow her on Instagram and Facebook. And I just thought I'd order some stuff to see how the quality was. There were some really cute St. Patty's Day and Mardi Gras themed decals that I got, which I'll be using in upcoming manis. Oh my goodness, look at this little satin bag. Isn't that cute? It's like satiny. I just said that, I know, but so cute. Okay, so I'll show you the decals in a second, because I did order quite a few. She gave me some freebies, so that's cool to practice on. Okay, so I did get some dips from her. Only two, because I saw some glitters that I really liked. One I think had just been released. So this is like a little freebie glitter of butterflies. That's cute. It's like really chunky, like glitters that you would just place on. I wouldn't dip into that. And then this color is called Tropical Hibiscus. This is one of the new ones that she released. I thought it was really pretty for the spring. And then this one is Remember Me. This one's really pretty as well. It has like flecks of blue and some pink, silver. I see orangey, corally color in there. Very pretty. So those are the dips I got. And what's cool about them is I'm in New York State, and I noticed that she's also in New York. So I thought that was kind of cool. Kind of, not a local company, but in the same state as me. And it came with this little card that has a little thank you note on the back of it. And then these are the water slides I got from her. And it comes with instructions about how to put them on. So this I got is called Petite Pretties. It's Taurus because that's my sign. And I'm coming up on a milestone birthday this year. So I figured I'd get these and use them during April sometime to celebrate my birthday. I really like these full coverage ones with the celestial scene on them. And then I thought these were cute where it says it's a Taurus thing. So I'll be using those. And then I got these for Mardi Gras. I saw these on Kande Dips Facebook page. Somebody used them with the dips I'm actually going to be using from Kande Dips for my next mani, which is going to be Mardi Gras themed. I think I might use this one here, or I might do a full coverage. I've never done a full coverage water slide, so that'll be interesting to try. I might do that. Then I got this one, which is called 80s Baby, but it's like Lisa Frank. I loved Lisa Frank growing up when I was younger, so I thought this was really cute. These little dolphins and the shooting star, the hearts, the butterflies. If you're 80s or 90s babies, might understand Lisa Frank stuff was like all the rage. So that is what I got from Pampered Pretties. Thanks so much for watching. I'll link everything down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you'd like to hit that bell notification to be notified when I post more content, please feel free to do that. Have a great day.